Yes.
So, what's up, you guys? You know, it's yes sir day, so we have to say it loud in the video, right? So, yeah, I bought a fire truck. Damn! I bought it, definitely. Right, so I got my M train right here. And then I got my Z chain behind my, the Z train. And this here is the M train. Damn! Right, and I am the L train. You know who the boys are L? You know who the boys are L? L train. Yes, sir. Damn! Pause it. Damn! How did I get in your supersonic speed? Damn! Yes, sir. Ooh! So we got the M train coming in. Big chain smoker. M train. Damn. Yes, sir. And then we got the Z train coming in. Damn. Yes, sir, for sure. Damn. I'll talk to you back when you get in. Yes, sir, and we back. What is this? This feel like virtual reality. Never mind. Bye. Damn. Yes, sir. You know we have to say the yes, sir after we say the damn. They're trying damn. Yes, sir. Then we got the M train. Yeah. So go in. Yes, sir. Then we got the boy train. Done. I'ma tell you who the. So you know the boy got the hats on. I got the iced drip. Damn. You know we got the drippy boy. And we got the iced out boy. Come on, let's hear it for the iced out boy. That's his calling sign. And my calling sign is yes, sir. And his calling sign is icy. And yeah, damn. You know I always have to say damn. What you always have to say? Yes, sir. Damn. No, we mixed up names. He say damn, and I call for yes, sir, and he called is icy boys. Damn. Yes, sir. Icy boys. Yes, sir. Damn. Yes, sir. Icy boys. Yes, sir. Damn. Yes, sir. Icy boys. Yes, sir. Lydia. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get back to the video later. Like, damn. You know the yes, sir. Damn, yes, sir, boy. Damn, boy. The yes, sirs.